How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a hickey video. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBird999. So again, for all the fitness people watching, I just make this video because it's very popular on my channel. It's a very popular topic. So we will go over it. And yeah, so what I do is I pick a question from a subscriber, and then we'll talk about it. And then at the end of the video, I'll give you what I do to get rid of my hickeys. So this subscriber wants to know if you can get rid of a hickey using a lipstick cap. Kind of talked about this with the comb, the spoon. If you're using the lipstick cap to rub, that is perfectly fine. And that can definitely work. Just like using the tip of this pen. If you wanted to, you could use the tip of this pen and rub just like that for a brief period of time, and you would get rid of your hickey. Because again, a hickey, all it is it's a bruise. And to get rid of a bruise, all you have to do is create blood flow in your neck. Generally, that's where you get the hickeys, is on your neck. 90% of hickeys are on the neck. So anyone watching this, you want to get rid of your hickeys as fast as possible. A lipstick cap can work. Again, anything that rubs, again, this pen, and I would recommend using this side and just rub. Anything that rubs, that's what you want to do. You want to create blood flow. So what's my method? My method is pretty similar to your subscriber that asked this question. Mine's just using a coin or a spoon. Spoon's a little bit better, as bigger surface area, so it's better to rub. And I just find that's better. Same with the coin. Coin's a little bit better in my opinion. It's just, it is what it is. It's whatever your personal preference is. Generally, most people have a spoon handy around the house. Coins, they might not have, but generally everyone has a spoon in their house for eating utensils. So that's why I recommend, the amount of time that I recommend is generally 2 minutes for about 90% of the people. The other 10% of the people, the hickey doesn't go away in 2 minutes. You're going to do it for 5 minutes straight. And then it'll go away. 100% guaranteed. Guaranteed. Some common complaints I get is it makes it worse, it makes it red. The redness will happen, but what happens is after the redness is gone, your hickey will also be gone as well. So give it about 5-10 minutes for the redness, then it will be gone. That's what I recommend. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBird999. Thank you.